Hi, I'm Sean of the Team Department at Pulaski County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make simple, easy, three-step Oreo fudge. Now, I can tell you right now, I'm not a candy maker myself, but I have enjoyed some really good fudge over the years, and I thought if this is easy enough that I can do it, surely you can too. So you only need 3 ingredients to make this fudge, okay? First of all, you need some Oreos, you need some white chocolate chips, and they come in about 11-ounce bags. You'll probably need 2 bags because you need about 18 ounces of those, and some sweetened condensed milk. You can find all this in the baking aisle at Walmart or Kroger or wherever you like to go to. So to get ready for this, I took like a Ziploc baggie, crushed up some Oreos, and then on this chocolate over here, we got in a bowl and it's kind of melted now. All I did was divided the chocolate chips up, poured out about 18 ounces, and then just microwave these at like half power for about a minute the first time, and then like 30-second intervals at half power until it completely melted. So to start making the fudge, all we do is combine the ingredients. It's really simple, guys. Just get you a big mixing bowl, and I'm gonna put in the chocolate first. I'm sure nobody will disagree with me. The chocolate's the most important part, so we're gonna put that ingredient in first. And you have to work quick with this before it sets up. It's getting out of the microwave for just about a minute or two now, so just trying to make sure I get all of it out of that bowl that I can. And here's our second bowl of chocolate. So after you get all of your chocolate in the bowl, go ahead and grab the sweetened condensed milk and we'll mix it in. And I can tell you right now, guys, as you start mixing that milk in, you can feel the chocolate start to stiffen up like it's going to set. So since it's trying to set already, we're going to go ahead and pour the Oreos in and mix those into the mix. Now, as I mix this, I'll tell you a little bit about the setup process. It's pretty simple. All we have is like an 8x8 disposable bake pan over here, and we're just going to pour this into it and spread it out and let the fudge set up. If you're wanting to have your fudge a little bit earlier, I think some people place it in the refrigerator or the freezer to help it set up faster. But this is something that just takes a few minutes, guys. It's not very hard to make. Now, just like I've said with some of our other food programs, though, this is not a healthy program, okay? This is not a healthy food. There's tons of sugar in it, but it tastes great. So if you would, if you don't care to eat something that's a little bit, on the high glucose side, this is the thing for you right here, okay? So give me just a second, guys. I think we about got it mixed up. And I probably better start spreading it because it's trying to set up just a little bit. And what we have in this bake pan, by the way, we just put a little bit of parchment paper in there. And the parchment paper is to help it not stick. You'll find out that whenever you try to get fudge out of a pan, that it'll try to stick to the sides, and it's a little bit hard to get out of there after it's set up, okay? So this will help us with that process. So all we're going to do is take this spoon, and I probably should have got a spatula for this, but I forgot, guys, but that's okay. We'll just spread it to the edges of the pan. Just about there, just about got it to the corner, guys. All right, guys, and that has it. This is the super easy 3-step Oreo fudge. As I said, this is something you can get all the ingredients really fast at the supermarket. If you want to make it, go ahead and make your own at home, and we will see you at the library for another program. See you guys later.